Good morning. Today my topic is financial knowledge and daily 60 to 90 minutes. If you are working in the financial sector, it is important from the financial knowledge. And daily means daily. Like if you working in the banking and the products, CASA and FD, RD and loan and credit card. It's trade finance and LC, letter of credit and bank of guarantee, import, export, SBLC. Is financial statement in the banking and the check as a banker, balance sheet and pay profit and the loss and the cash flow. And just it is important from the daily knowledge in the RBI and SEBI and FEMA and AML and KYC. It is mutual fund and the insurance. Investment in the current and the business and the current business and economic news, international news and economic news, or world news, right? If someone if someone in the ask and question and use and using the this and the four step and method, the answer and the give only a give and a answer and the give is the one liner, one line and answer and the B and brief, brief and explain the 2 and 3 simple and point and see the example and the stories and the share a real stories, real example, the conclusion and with the benefit and with the benefit and everything is it important from the every skills. If you stories, you tell stories, life stories, past stories, learn and the storytelling, first and the situation and challenging and action, result and learning it is important before the telling the story, the situation and challenging and the action and the result and the learning and maybe it's learning is improve in the voice tone and if you daily and improve daily, improve your skill, you read books, writing and you listen news, hear something, daily basis 60 to 90 minutes. It is very important because of your improve your everything, body language and personalities and knowledge and improve your voice tone. If you want improve your voice tone, speak slowly and pause after the important and the point, the very you're on